Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to give a feedback on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen, and click to the About button at the upper side of the screen. Here, go to the second option, the Feedback for you, and if you have an account, you can give feedback this website. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.